Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be my makeup haul from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoy this. So if you want to see what I got from Sephora, just keep on watching. So the first thing I wanted to get was the Makeup by Ariel makeup brushes from Morphe. I just couldn't find it online on Sephora's website. The only thing that they had was the eye brush set. So I did not want to get that. I want to get the full set. So I went to Morphe's website and I got this one. And it was on sale as well, so I was really happy that I got it. I just used it today to do this makeup look. This is what it looks like. You get everything. The only thing that it's not there, it's the angle brush for your eyeliner. They look and feel luxurious, so I really like them. But I got this one from Morphe's website because Sephora doesn't have the full set because they were sold out. The next thing I got was the Patrick Ta. This is the limited edition palette. What is it called? Major Headlines Blush Palette. So the cream brushes and powder blushes. They look stunning. Really love the way they look. You get cool tones, more like a peachy and like a burnt brown color. This is going to be stunning for summertime or with red lips. I'm really happy that I got this one actually. When I went to Sephora, my main thing was to get this Ilia. This is the Super Serum Skin Tint. This has a SPF in it. SPF 40, I believe, yes. I was really happy that at Sephora Canada got this because it was not allowed in Sephora Canada for a long time. I haven't opened it yet. So this is what it looks like. And I got my shade Bum ST5. So this is a dropper kind of tint foundation. I hope it matches me. I'm not sure. I tried to swatch it in store. Yeah, I think this will work. It's very hydrating, very luminous. I'm gonna try to upload a video on these products, so stay tuned for that. I already did this makeup look today, so stay tuned for that as well. It's my Christmas holiday makeup look. Got a backup of this Airbrush Flawless powder. This is in the shade number 2. I used to get number 1. I just decided to kind of go a little bit darker for the rest of the face and use the number 1, which is Fair Light, for my under eyes. So this is what it looks like. It's just a tiny bit darker, not too much. I got 2 lip products. I got the Too Faced Lip Injection. This is in the shade Pink Punch. I do have the clear one. I'm almost out, so I wanted to get another one just in case if I finish that. The other thing I wanted to get is this Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Everybody talks about this on how good it is. I've never tried anything from Lawless other than the foundation. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this to see. It has good reviews on Sephora's website, but the only thing is I feel like the jar is not full at all. Like you can see like bubbles everywhere and it looks like half empty, but I'll try it and I'll let you guys know. Follow me on Instagram because I always post things and on my stories. It's Beauty with Suzanne, same as my YouTube channel name. I hope to see you there. I wanted to try another concealer, a new concealer for me. It's not new on the market, but this is from Clinique. This is called the Even Better All Over Concealer Eraser. The color is Cream Whip and has a nice doe foot applicator. I like the way it feels because it's very liquidy, creamy, and very easy to blend. So this will be really nice for my dry under eyes, especially now because it's winter. My face gets drier than normal. I've never used any concealer from Clinique, so this is my first time doing that. So I already tried the Rare Beauty blushes. I really like them. This is the Soft Pinch Blush Trio that I got. I have 2. I think I have Happy and Love, but these colors here are a little bit lighter. So in this trio you get Hope, Peace, and Bliss colors. In these I have Happy and Love. So also Sephora collection had 30% off, so I wanted to grab those lashes. These are in the style Amour. They look very fluffy and they look very natural, and they're very soft to the touch. From Pat McGrath I got these Fetish. These are lip trio here. You get 2 lipsticks and a lip liner. And I got this trio as well. This has a lip gloss, a lipstick, and a lip liner. And this is called the Flesh 5 Astral. lip trio. The colors look more like a neutral tone color, which what I do like to use on a daily basis, so I'm really happy to use these. Usually lipsticks from Pat McGrath, they're very expensive. They're like $50 or so, so I just wanted to try the mini sizes. I've tried the mini sizes before, and I really like them. I love how comfortable they are, but they're matte. They don't dry out your lips. Another thing from Pat McGrath I wanted to get a long time ago, and is this this is a highlighter Balm Duo, and this is in the shades Golden. The packaging is stunning from Pat McGrath, you guys. Look at that. So stunning. So you get a golden highlight on one end. See how intense that is? But it blends so nicely on the skin. And then the other side is your balm. So if you want more a natural look, just a sheen on the cheeks, you know, just for like an everyday look, this will be really nice. You can use it on your lips as well. It's very hydrating, but it's not sticky. So pretty, like very, very glowy. The packaging is on point, very luxurious. So I got this glow recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, Ultimate Glow and Brightening. So this is your last step of your skin routine, or you can use it on top of your makeup to give you a dew, like a luminous finish. And I've actually tried it on top of makeup and it looks stunning. I thought my makeup was gonna come off, but it didn't. It looks stunning on top of makeup, and I really like it as my last step of my routine because it gives me that glowy, healthy looking glow on my skin. Really, really enjoy it. I've tried it only once, and I've tried it on makeup as well. So far so good. I'm really happy with my purchase. The other thing I got was this one here from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the full-size hydrogel eye patch. You get every single one from Peter Thomas Roth, and you get the full sizes. I usually use the 24K gold under my eyes. I use them like 3 times a week. So I was really excited to see this for $100 for 3 full sizes. So you get the cucumber one and the hydrating eye gel. Happy with this. It's a good deal. I wanted to try a new cleanser for my face. I've tried so many. Decided to get this one this time because it's clean at Sephora, and it has good reviews on Sephora's website. So this is vegan as well. This is Youth to the People face cleanser. This is the kale and green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. It's a very long name. It's a glass container. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, very pretty. I'm just scared of if my kids, you know, knock it on the floor, but I'll be careful. Probably I'll just store it in my drawer. And it has a pump as well. It does smells like fresh scent. It's not too strong, so I'm really I've used it a couple of times, and I really like it. It has a foamy finish to it, but it doesn't dry out my skin. I'm not used to foamy cleansers because it's been a while since I used them. It takes my makeup off so nicely, and it doesn't dry me out. That's the most important thing. So yeah, this is all I got from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.